living in difficult times. We're living in times in which we are more and more isolated. With that isolation, we are more fearful of strangers. We are living at times in which Ali thought he had won the fight for religious tolerance, for racial tolerance, and sometimes it doesn't seem like he won it all. I think we're living in times that require us to fight back, just the way Ali fought back. We can't all fight back the way Ali did, but we can all try to understand other lives. That's the core of what we do as writers and readers. Biographers do it explicitly. We engage in another person's life story, but all of us who pick up books are saying that we want to know what it feels like to be someone else. That's the art of empathy. That's the art of fighting back against intolerance and against ignorance. And when you do that, you may never know what it's like to be Muhammad Ali exactly, but you may get a sense for what it felt like for a kid like Muhammad Ali to grow up to be able to call himself the greatest of all time. So, thank you very much.